Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide, and in today's video we are revisiting the Remarkable as a platform, and we're going to be focusing on Remarkable methods. As I mentioned before, this was something that I would address in a separate video because of potential negotiations that are still ongoing between Remarkable and myself. In short, Remarkable has approached me and expressed a desire to include some of my products that I have that you can find on mydeepguide.com/shop, such as MDO and MMP. More information about them you can find in the description down below. But they were interested actually to reach out to the community and create this curated collection of workbooks and templates and offer them for their users as part of the Remarkable Methods platform. So they have reached out to me. The negotiations are still ongoing, but they're going smoothly forward. But now that a little bit of time has passed and I've seen how Remarkable methods are functioning and what they're about, I just wanted to give you a short overview of it in the case that you may not be aware of them. It's definitely something that could be useful to you. What are Remarkable methods? Well, Remarkable methods is basically a collection of curated workbooks, which is basically a fancy word of saying a hyperlinked PDF file, and templates, which are your notebook backgrounds that you can use to organize your work that way. The curation of these templates and workbooks is primarily done by Remarkable. So those are going to be workbooks and templates created by Remarkable themselves, but they are also reaching out to the community and to established producers of these types of assets. So when you actually go to methods.remarkable.com, you can see that Remarkable Methods is still in beta. And if you go there right now, you will be able to see different categories. So you have featured, planning, productivity, strategy, note-taking, communication. And in featured, you will already see that we have Remarkable tablets and workbooks and templates. So for example, Calendar 2025 by Remarkable. But you also have the bullet journal, which is made by the Bullet Journal, and value proposition workbook by Strategizer. That is the idea of the Remarkable methods. One thing to absolutely keep in mind is that this functionality is available only to the Connect subscribers. The Connect subscription price, to the best of my knowledge, has not increased. So this just means that the Remarkable Methods addition to the Connect subscription is an added value for the Connect subscribers. But one would argue that this is the first true kind of feature added to the Connect subscription that has any value, because everything before it would be a difficult case to make that it adds a lot of value. So yes, it is behind a paywall, but it is something that does add actual value to the overall platform, especially when you take into consideration that Remarkable platform, as closed down as it is, you don't really have an alternative without hacking your device of adding your own custom templates to your own device. Workbooks, yes, you can do that without any problems, because essentially these are just simply PDF files, same as you can find on the mydeepguide.com/shop, MDO and MMP. So it's the same type of thing. You just get a PDF from methods onto your tablet and then you can use it. But where it is new are actually the addition of templates, because this is not something that you've had previously on Remarkable tablet without hacking it. And I'm pleased to say that the negotiations are moving forward, and hopefully in the near time future you will be able to see some of My Deep Guide templates and workbooks also available on the Remarkable methods. So it will be interesting to see how this whole experience develops and how it actually works. It's a very simple process of adding this by simply going to my.remarkable.com and going to explore methods section of your Remarkable portal, where you will find the different workbooks, templates, and you simply install them or add them to your account. And when you're back to your tablet, you will see that once it's been synchronized, so you have to go online and allow it to synchronize, you will see that content has been added to your tablet. So for example, the 2025 calendar is added here, and you can use it as you normally would. Personally, I prefer MDO simply because I've designed it for my use case scenario and what I actually prefer to have and use. But I'm just using this to kind of demonstrate how you can have access to these documents. So the workbooks will appear in the root of your device as PDF documents because that's what they are. It's a simple PDF document that gets downloaded onto your device. The templates themselves, they get, I think, or hope, downloaded into the templates themselves, and here they are. So now you have with the dots marked the new templates that have been added, and you also have the category of RM methods, so that you can more easily find the templates that you have downloaded from remarkable methods, and you can use them like that. So finally, we can see that the Remarkable as platform has implemented the functionality of adding custom templates. The only problem with it is that it's locked down behind the Connect subscription under the form of the Remarkable methods. I personally don't have anything against offering a curated collection of templates on their own platform if that's what the users want to use. But I think that this is something that's going to leave a bad taste for some of the users, simply because it just demonstrates that the infrastructure and the ability to easily load custom templates is there and is in place, but it's behind a paywall. Well, okay, so that's that. I think that I offered all of my commentary and opinions here. I think that Remarkable Methods is definitely an interesting approach, but I still think that obfuscating the option and basically physically limiting the option to allow users to include and simply use their own templates on their own devices and locking it to a platform and to behind a paywall, I don't think that that's going to resonate well with some of the users, and it doesn't really seem too much fair. And I'm not thinking of opening up the methods so that people can upload their own templates, but just simply allowing the users to load templates onto their own devices, not spread them around, just basic freedom that we have on most of the other platforms. Remarkable still doesn't have that, and the introduction of these templates and Remarkable methods, while good, it kind of stings and it kind of hurts because it's just like putting it in your face. Yeah, we can do this, but it's behind a paywall. And I don't see a good enough of a reason for something like that. The offerings in Remarkable Methods should be good enough. Those are curated templates that should be offering like the superior type of experience that's optimized for the Remarkable. And that's the value that it offers. But that shouldn't automatically lock out the user of the ability to simply upload their own template to their own device. Nowhere further, just for their own use. And that, I think, is the problem that I have with the Remarkable Methods as it is now. So overall, I think it's definitely something that is adding value, finally adding some value to the Connect subscription, and some obvious benefit that you're actually getting as a Connect subscriber. But at the same time, it does offer that other side that I've just talked about. It's going to be interesting to see how the platform develops. It's still in beta. We'll see how the reaction is of people, how the adoption rate is, and also how the outreach of Remarkable towards the other creators like myself and others, how that will affect the development of the Remarkable Methods as a platform, and what will that mean for the development of that platform. I'm really interested to hear what are your thoughts about the Remarkable Methods, about the positives and negatives that I've mentioned in this video that are relating to this platform. Also, do let me know in the comments down below any other thoughts that you have in regards to the contents of this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!